name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make Kudzu tea. Kudzu tea is an African tea that has been used to help suppress alcohol cravings, reduce headaches, tension, and even help calm the nervous system. Now, obviously these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA, and you should consult with your medical doctor before using Kudzu tea to treat any symptoms. But if you want to make up a cup of Kudzu tea, we're going to show you how. So let's get started. First, you're going to take your tea kettle, you're going to place it under your faucet and fill it up with some cold water. Once you have it filled up with cold water, you're then going to put it on your stove top and turn your stove on high. Wait until the water comes to a complete boil, then you can remove the tea kettle from the heat. We're going to take our tea bag and we're going to take it out of the box, remove it from the wrapper, open it up, place it in our tea cup, which this tea cup is about 8 ounces. You can make up to 12 ounces with one tea bag. We're going to pour the boiling water on top of the tea bag, leaving a little space at the top here, just making sure that we don't splash any hot water on ourselves. And we're going to bob this tea bag up and down a few times just to get the water flowing into the tea bag so that that hot water can pull out the flavor and diffuse the tea throughout the beverage. It's very important that when brewing Kudzu tea that you do use boiling water, and this is because it's an herbal tea, and so you need to get the water to that high temperature in order to extract the herb appropriately. Once it's steeped for about 2 to 4 minutes, you can then remove the tea bag, you can add cream or sugar to the tea, and you can enjoy it. Again, my name is Joey Papa, I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make Kudzu tea.